Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the air purifying indoor plants which you can keep at your home. In 1989, NASA had made a list of the plants which can purify the air. A lot of research has been done and you can see there are many plants which are effective air purifier. A medium-sized plant is good enough to cover an area of 100 square feet of a closed space. For a house of 1000 square feet, you need to place 10 plants at different locations in your house. So today I will tell you about few of the indoor air purifying plants which I have at my home. The first plant which I have at my home is a snake plant, and it is unique for its nighttime oxygen, and it has the ability to purify the air, and it removes benzene, formaldehyde and xylene. And snake plant can be kept in the window light, and we need to water this plant weekly. The next air purifying plant which I have at my home is the ZZ plant, and it does not need a lot of care, and you can water it once in 2 weeks, and you should not keep this ZZ plant directly under the sun, and it removes toluene and xylene from the air, as toluene is a petroleum product. The next air purifying plant which I have is the Devil's Ivy, and it removes the chemicals and the harmful toxins from the air. The next air purifying plant which I have in my home is the aloe vera plant, and it does not require a frequent watering, and you can keep the aloe vera in the kitchen sill, and if you're working in the kitchen and if you get a burn, you can just apply aloe vera on the burn part and it will give you a soothing effect. It removes formaldehyde and benzene from the air, as formaldehyde is present in the furniture varnish and paints. So the next air purifier plant which I have at my home is the Erica palm, and you should not keep it in the direct sunlight. As you can see here, the tips of the leaves, they will get burned if you put it in the direct sunlight, and it also removes the harmful chemical which is present in the air, like the formaldehyde and benzene from the air, and you have to water it regularly to keep the Erica palm green. Now I'm going to tell you where I have placed these air purifying plants at different locations in my home. The snake plant and the ZZ plant I have kept in the window light. I have kept Devil's Ivy in my drawing room as it gives a soothing effect. I have kept aloe vera in my kitchen sill. I have kept Erica palm on my work desk.